Hi everyone, my name is John Savill and welcome to my course, Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer, Implement Imperative Virtual Machine Configuration Management. I'm a Principal Technical Architect at the Dallas Microsoft Technology Center. There are many aspects to resource management in Azure, and for virtual machines this includes configuration inside the guest operating system. In this course, we're going to look at how we can manage the guest OS using imperative configuration technologies that are running in Azure. By the end of this course, you'll know the options available for configuration across Windows and Linux guest operating systems and their capabilities. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn all about VM configuration in Azure with the Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer, Implement Imperative Virtual Machine Configuration Management course at Pluralsight.